as a company, for us, Power2Drive, it stands for a change. Basically, it stands for a changing way of how we drive, how we transport basically ourselves. You know, it's moving away from fossil fuels towards electrical mobility. And I think this is a great example of all the different suppliers that are making that change possible. And we are very proud to be part of that.
Wir glauben, dass die Mobilität
We believe that mobility can be a catalyst for the energy transmission. It also touches people. And if we're able to implement the right infrastructure, we gain the great advantage to make something really clean. And this is what we want to achieve.
was Sauberes und Nachhaltiges zu machen. Hier möchten wir unseren Teil als Kreisel dazu beitragen.
We have made a study that proves that 90% of the people that want to drive electric prefer to use solar energy. So one energy transition technology pushes the other one.
Wir kommen ursprünglich aus dem Bereich Windenergie.
We actually come from the field of wind energy, and we now want to be a part of these new sectors. Besides that, we also provide storage and power-to-gas solutions. We think it's perfect that Power2Drive and the other exhibitions connect these different topics. And that's why we like being here.
Ganz spannend hier zu sein.
Mir gefällt es einfach ganz gut.
I like it very much that different topics connect here that also connect in reality. We have to put a global focus on that and connect. And this is what's happening here in Munich.
It's a really, really exciting place. That's the reason why it's very important to be here.
Ich denke, das Konzept hier ist wirklich...
To put a strong focus on intelligent energy management is really a great idea. You find the latest innovations of the market here, and it's also great to connect with B2B partners.
Ist natürlich auch ein super Punkt für B2B-Partner zu lukrieren. Ja. Be also a part of the smarter E.